my titos, they have their own family, right? And at that time, our bata, which is our uncle, we call him bata because in Waray, bata means uncle.
Yes, Tito, uncle.
Tito, yes, Uncle Tito. He wanted to go back to our province because he's already old and he wanted a peaceful life. So before, my brothers had a guardian, which was our uh, uncle, yeah, but then he pleaded us. He was like crying and telling us that he wanted to go back to our province because he's already old. I think 65, 60 plus.
More than
I think, yes, oo. So, what happened was, my brothers had to be alone. Alone, pero tatlo sila. O basta basically, for almost how many years, they don't have any guardian at all. They don't have any adults in our house. So, starting from when you were in high school, tama ba?
ano, grade 9?
Mag-English ka. Ano yung grade 9? Hindi na ako nakaka-keep up. It's grade 9.
Year high school.
Since third year high school, there were no adults in our house. So the dynamics in our home was Joshua will go to the bank or bank ba? Or sa basta basically si Josh ang captain of the house. And imagine,
Basically, I was the head of the household.
sige, pwede na yan, pwede na yan. O basta, imagine niyo, he was just in third year high school, grade 9, and he had to manage the savings.
Oh,
Hindi savings. Yung, again, nasa utak ko na. Ano sabihin?
finance?
Sabihin, ay magkapatid. Yes, the budget, allowance, expenses. Thank you, call a friend. So imagine, he was just young back then. He was supposed to enjoy his, ano ba, adolescence life.
Hindi ko na-enjoy yung...
Oo, ina-enjoy mo, kinukupit mo yung budget. Siyempre may kupit ka. Nagkukupit siya, guys. Hi, E. Hi, Tanya. Corrupt si Joshua. Yeah, so he had to manage the expenses, the budget.
Yes.
So I'm proud of you, Josh, because you don't have any choice but to mature earlier than your expected maturity. Oh my God. Lasing ba ako? Hindi ako makapaniwala na naka-English ako. But yes. So yun. So he had to budget all of the expenses, the money.
Kuha ng card ni Borgie.
Yeah.
Siguro during time na yun, hindi ko siya nare-realize na na burden. Parang
You didn't, you have, ano ba?
I just have to do it. Parang ganun.
Because you don't have any choice. Because I wasn't there also. I was in Tacloban. I was also studying. I had also some, responsibility.
Yes. Pero grabe naman yung bawi mo sa amin, te. Ay! Okay, so for those who don't know, my
English
ate paid for my tuition. And
Hindi na need, yung mga ganung bagay, hindi na need sabi, parang, ano naman? Hindi ko ba responsibilidad yun?
well, technically hindi.
Sabagay. Pero, ewan ko, I don't know, because Filipinos, we really value our family.
Yes.
That's our priority. That's why yung Filipinas, when they marry foreigner, and then the foreigner visit the Philippines, we always invite our family. Because, I don't know, it's just
We're
in our
convinced.
culture, just in our culture, that we really value our family so much.
OFW daw attacker mo, te.
Sobra, di ba ako OFW ngayon? Feeling ko OFW ako ngayon. Kasi, I'm working here. Okay, wag dito. Dapat nagsiset ng pagiging role model sa mga kapatid. Gagaya yan. Magjojowa yan. Huwag natin bawal ko. Magdala-dala ko dyan ng sa bahay. Bububugin dito talaga. Basta, this is the main door. So, pagpasok mo, you can see this closet. This is actually very brilliant kasi they really maximize the space. So, ilang doors yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ano ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 doors. So, imagine. So, Yoli has her own closet. So, this one, and maximize it since my room doesn't have any closet area. So ginawa ko na lang siya. So these are my stuff.
Grabe.
As a hoarder, you know that. Pero syempre, I'm trying to, use everything. Kasi ang dami kong na-expire na gamit, di ba Josh? Sobrang daming na-expired na gamit. So we had to throw.
Ano ba yun? Yung trash bag. Like,
Oo, imagine mo yun. Extra large na trash bag na puno ng mga products na expired na. So kasama dun yung isang box ng Silka na lotion. Ay, bawal pala kung sabi ng brand. Lotion, sabon. Ay, grabe, no? Shampoo na sobrang expired na mga 2 years ago pa.
basically, mga
Kasi-
grocery stuff.
Sayang talaga. So sabi ko, simula ngayon, hindi mo na ako bibili. Parang yan yung mantra ko for this year. So, this is the space for the shoes, footwear, Dogging heels.
Ano yung favorite mo dyan?
My favorite, I think,
Ay, oo. Ako din, yan yung pinakagusto kong sapatos mo, Te. Di ba iba-ibang color yun?
may iba-ibang color, pero the other 3 colors are in the Philippines. My favorite new running shoes. Ganda. Magaan sa paa.
Takot.
So after the hallway, ito na yung makikita mo. Ayan na.
Wow.
So, this is my room. Yuli's here na. Tapos, ito yung CR. Wait, nakapatay yung ilaw. Hey!
Grabe, ang ano niya. Ang luxurious.
Malimit ako nagsasalita. Naiya ako kasi andito na si Yoli.
Eh.
At tas andyan
Ay,
yung
Nolly. Ay, ang ganda.
sala. Huh? No, this is my brother. You want to see?
Hi.
Nice to meet
I
you.
was shocked. It was on live. Yeah, this guy.
This is raining.
Oo!
Ay, ako, Te.
Pansin to. No, ito naman.
Yeah, every time that I share problems, you don't react. You don't give me like,
Ano kasi, siguro, Te, ano ba? Ang hirap mag-advise sa nakakatanda.
not advice, but at least give me reaction. Mag-react ka naman, hindi yung ako.
Ay, nagre-react naman ako.
Alam mo, minsan ako
Kasi sa iba naman ako advice
yes,
naman
open
ako.
forum na to. Sa totoo lang, Josh, matagal ko na talaga to kay Nikim Kim. Ang dami kong tampo sa'yo. Honestly.
Uy. Hindi ko nagkamali.
Alam mo, ang hindi ko talaga makalimutan. Hindi ko makalimutan. Ito, Josh, ito. Hindi ko makalimutan. I greeted you on your birthday. Story. I'll show you, ha? Okay, Joshua's birthday is on October 11.
Ah,
Birthday mo, 11 or 12?
grabe, pinapagalitan pa ako.
Hindi kasi nalilito ko kasi ang 11, birthday mo? Or anniversary nila, mami? Kaya nalilito ako, basta 11 or 12?
11 yung wedding anniversary.
Ah,
Okay,
Uy,
nang
Joshua,
yes.
puro sila negative sa'yo. Grabe ang feedback daw ng speaker mo. Magalaw ka daw. May echo.
Weh, ikaw lang nagsabi niyan.
Lipat ka dito. Lipat ka sa comment section. You'll see the comments. They're busy.
Sorry guys.
Back
Ano ba yan yung post mo sa Facebook?
Oo, di ko ito makakalimutan, Josh. First time ko ito tatanong kayo. Pero buong pamilya natin, alam to. Ikaw lang ata walang may alam. Okay. So Josh was
Weh!
October 12. I posted a story
Bye guys.
October 12, 2024. I greeted him, happy birthday. So I posted this picture. It's so cute, right? Guwapo siya eh. You're so guwapo there, oh. Nothing to be
O hindi ko
ashamed
yung
of.
pangit ko dyan.
Alam niyo ba? Andito siya, nasa-file tray. At saka dito. Hindi niya shinare. Hindi niya shinare. Hindi mo lang siya nag-comment at nag-heart. Okay. Okay lang yan. Okay. Because my brother is now, Gen Z ka ba? Gen Z?
Yes.
Okay. Sige palagpasin. Because I'm a very understanding ate. Okay, maybe he is into aesthetics. Di ba? Mga Gen Z, very, okay, baka hindi pasok sa aesthetics niya. Okay, 24 hours. So the story expired already. Nag-story ka ulit. Yung kaklase niya, nag-greet sa kanya, happy birthday, Josh, blah, 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 ganyan. In-story niya. So, okay lang sana yun. Okay, kasi baka best friend niya, close niya, baka may kailangan yun. Kasi nga, in-story niya, pero yung mukha niya, naka-sticker. Naka-sticker! Naka niya. Tapos ito, na-cute siya. Hindi nag-in-story. Pero yung kaklase niya, nag-granite siya. Naka-sticker yung face niya. Yung logic doon. Anong logic?
Ayoko yung picture na yan.
Pero, kaya mo i-share yung naka-sticker yung face mo? Yun lang ang reason
Yami
mo?
tayo dyan, aray mo.
Yun lang ang reason mo, Josh? Kinimkim mo 2 years. To 2 years. Sige. Pero
Ay,
sticker,
sobrang ayoko tong picture ko na yan, te.
then you can share it, man. You should have shared it and just put sticker also if you want. Ano yun? Sige, ito na yun. Hindi ba nito? Hindi, tingnan mo, di ako nakamito. Alam mo ba kung ako yan? Si Judah, nagtawag pa ako, Day, grabe talaga tong kapatid ko. Grabe, parang ko sinaksak-sak ko.
Grabe, te.
Because I don't understand. I don't.
Ayoko talaga yung picture na yun, te. Tapos, eto kasi si ate, yung mga pinopost niyang picture, maganda siya. Maganda siya sa picture. Naalala ko, nung birthday ko, 2020, grabe, ang pangit ko sa picture. Pinost niya sa Facebook. Ang pangit ko talaga sa picture. So, ayun.
Bakit ka talaga?
Pangit ako, pero sana, alam mo yung mas okay na picture ko man lang, yung i-post mo. Kasi isipin mo ang dami niyang followers. Di ba? Ilan nakakakita nun? Mga kaklase ko, friends ko, nakikita yun kasi syempre naka-follow sa konyo. Tapos ang pangit pa. Alam mo yung awkward stage?
With smoothness.
Alam mo yung awkward stage pa yung napili niyong picture.
Pero mas grabe ka magtampo na. 2020 ko naalala.
Nag-away.
So, sa next birthday mo, no more story na. Nanap ko.
Di ba? Di ba? Sige nga. Di ba guys? Hindi ko pa... Sige, salamat Salamat. Maraming salamat. Ganyan siya kabuli, guys. Di ba?
Basahin ko na lang, sabi ko.
Sige.
Sorry. Ay, nagsorry.
Wait lang, tapos hindi pa yan mag-e-end. Hindi pa mag-e-end yan sa picture. Manglalait yan sa caption niya. Hindi pa yan end Una, pipili siya lang maganda sa picture. Naalala ko yung picture na yun may sakit siya yun Tapos galing ako ng school, di pa ako nagpapagupit. Wala akong ayos-ayos. Tapos kumain kami sa McDo, nag-picture kami, kasi siya nag-aya, mag-picture daw kami. Feeling niya siguro ang ganda niya.
Tapos tapos parang, I had one day to rest and then after that, we went out, we did grocery shopping.
Di ba?
Mm-mm.
O yan, nakahanap ka ng sarili mong sagot.
No. That picture was taken in 2019. But I posted it in 2020. Ito yung
Yes.
sorry, I could not find a more disclaimer. May disclaimer.
Thank you.
Accepted. Sorry, I couldn't
Hindi.
find a more decent
Lobat na
photo
ako.
of us.
Alam mo naman, parang wala kang mahanap na picture.
Propose with ko na ano ko, thank you for being you. I couldn't have asked for anyone better. You're a source of strength for me to strive for a better life. I will always remember you told me, Ate, baka your purpose in this life is us, and maybe you're right. Tapos
Sinabi ko ba yun?
ako,
Well, in fair-
action ko. Sinabi mo yun. Sabi mo, ate, baka ang mo sa buhay ay kami. In English ko nga lang para sa siya.
Sumbong daw kita kay Muham, te.
Ito pa yung caption. Dun sa pangit ka. Ito. Yung ito. Ito yung
Maraming salamat Niyuyurakan mo ang pagkatao ko.
Sorry, I could not find a more detailed photo of us. I have a very unique family background, but I am proud of it. Joshua is one of my siblings who really loves me wholeheartedly. 5 months ago,
Totoo yan.
I was depressed and devastated, and I know most of you knew the reason for it. But I am beyond blessed because Joshua never left me. He took good care,
Totoo yan.
brought me food from breakfast, lunch, dinner,
Totoo yan.
sure that I would eat them on time. He even became my advisor, spoke to me many times for not eating properly and for not appreciating all the things he was doing for me. I'm very sorry, my baby, but I promise that I will do my best and I will repay all the sacrifices you have made for me. Thank you for being my companion, defender, and my best friend. Thank you for loving me, for respecting me, and for cheering me up. Tararay, pataas. I couldn't ask for my
Wow.
brother. Sabi ko sa caption. Pero parang, I am like thinking twice now. I don't regret the things I said. I love you very much.
Oy.
Happiest birthday to you.
Wala. Pero at least, nakaka-pressure ba, te, pag may pamilyang nanonood?
Oo.
Or nasanay ka na lang din?
Nung una, di ba, ewan ko kung alam mo itong kwento. Alam ni Mami yan na ayaw ko siya nanonood.
Oo.
Di ba? Lagi kwento yan ni Mami na ayaw niya ni Lovely nanonood ako. Gusto niya, uuwi na lang siya. Ikukwento niya na, ay Mami, nanalo ako. Ay Mami. Kasi parang akong naiiyak, akong naku-conscious. I'm not sure what is the story behind that or yung theory behind that. But I really don't want my mommy to be present during my competition.
So specifically, si Mami lang? Siguro, normal lang naman.
Pero kasi diba sabi nila, showing up talaga is
Oo.
very special. Siguro, okay sa akin na hindi ko alam na andyan si Mami. Pero andyan pala siya. Okay sa akin yun. Pero yung alam ko siya andyan si Mami, naku-conscious ako. Hindi ko alam bakit. Bakit kaya?
Siguro kasi, parang, iba kasi pag strangers yung nanonood sa'yo.
Oo, parang di ako maiya. Parang di ako maiya.
Kasi syempre, kung mama mo, kilala ka niya, alam niya amoy mo, alam niya kung paano ka sa bahay, alam mo. Diba?
Pero,
Tapos biglang iba yung, parang biglang alter ego ka sa stage.
don't get me wrong, no? Si Mami always present ko sa lahat ng pageant ko.
Yes, totoo yan.
May time pa noon, sumali ako. I just wanna share lang ha. Grabe ang sacrifices ng Mami Agnes ko sa kung anumang buhay din na meron ako ngayon. Because when I was starting in the pageantry scene, in the pageantry world, my Mami Agnes was there giving her all. Imagine, she will fix all of my costume. I will show you one of the costume. O basta yun na yun. Siya ang nagtatahi. There was also a moment that my mother became my hairstylist. Ponytail.
Ponytail.
Tapos kukuha siya ng buhok, irarap
Tapos yung
siya.
tatali niya.
Alam mo bakit niya natutunan yun? Kasi nagpaturo siya sa isang hairstylist para makakikid kami. Kasi during that time, 500 pesos ang talent fee ng hairstylist. So ang nangyayari, ako yung mag-makeup, si Mami yung mag-hair. So yun yung lagi kong hair.
Miss Novaliches yun, te.
Oo. May time din, nag-audition ako. Speaking of PBB, I also auditioned for PBB back in 2014. Tapos iba
Sa Marikina.
yung pagmamahal ng nanay ko sa akin. Iniwan niya yung 3 kong kapatid sa bahay para lang masamahan ako mag-audition sa PBB. Nalala mo yun?
Oo, tas, di ba naglatag ba kayo nun? Or
Naglakad
something?
kami doon, natulog kami doon kasi grabe yung pila.
Grabe. Saan ba yun, te? Marikina
Madaling
Sports
parang-
Complex?
Oo, yes. Imagine yung sacrifice ng nanay mo. Tapos syempre, iniisip pa niya, may 3 anak pa ako sa bahay, natutulog pa yun. Pero bago kami umalis, nagluto na si Mami, pinipare niya yung pagkain. Ang bata pa nila, imagine mo, 14 years old lang ako. Doon, ilang taon lang kayo.
Uwi kayo gabi na.
Ayan. So, ito lang yung mga photos na meron ako. So, si Mami ang hairstylist ko niyan. Yan yung favorite niyang hair. So, this was, anong pageant ba to? Campus Role Model Philippines. Tapos yung sa school pageant. Ito din, Novaliches din ata to eh. So, imagine niya yung favorite yung hairstyle ginagawa.
Oo.
Happy 1 million yung pag-introduce niya. Ang Linda Walker ng Sultan. Uy, oo nga, tara, isipin natin. What if part ako ng PBB, anong magiging Shakira ng sultan ko doon?
Ano ba, seryoso ba yan, te? Na mag-iisip
Ang lero-lele. Oo, sige na, isipin natin. So, ito yung mga pwede natin ilagay. So, breadwinner ako, nagpa-pageant ako since I was 15 years old.
ang breadwinner ng Sultan Kudarat.
I love it. Ang waray
Si
si
Kuya?
ng Sultan Kudarat. Ang misleading nun, waray ka pero nasa Sultan Kudarat ka. Ang kikay tisay ng Sultan Kudarat. Actually, I'm not a kikay nga, jologs ko nga eh.
Ang rampadora ng Sultan Kudarat.
Basta Sultan Kudarat.
Ang Shakira ng Sultan.
Alam mo, feeling ko, isa ako sa magiging isang makulay sa PBB house. Kasi, yung ugali ko minsan, I'm sweet. Sometimes, I'm spicy.
So sa tingin mo hanggang kailan ka aabot sa loob ng bahay?
Pag walang,
Magiging big four ka ba?
Pag wala akong sponsor, for sure, first week pa lang out na ako. Pero pag ipaglaban niyo ako sa, voting, kaya pa yan.
So dapat pala guys, pag sasali siya, magtiwala muna kayo. Gaganda yung personality niya. Pag malapit kayo.
Kasi may times na tahimik ako, may times naman na, gano'n. First week, nakikita ko na eh, nakikita ko na, parang di ako makakasundo ng lahat. Kasi first of all, I'm not really friendly naman. Parang mahiyain ako eh. Parang depende yun na, ay, kinausap niya ako, tsaka ako siya kakausapin.
Parang hindi ka
Mahiyain ako.
nag-a-approach.
I'm afraid of rejection kasi na parang, ay, once na magaya ko, baka mag-hi sa akin pabalik. Doon lang naman, hindi naman dahil may data ako, ma-attitude ako. Parang I have this fear of rejection na parang,
Parang
if I say
natatakot ka
hi-
na hindi mare-reciprocate yung
Oo,
pag-approach
nahihiya
na.
akong mapahiya. Natatakot akong mapahiya. Ang tutuhin daw ng Sultan.
Ang kutuhin ng Sultan.
Pero once naman you get to know me na, di ba parang, ay, Jologs pala siya kalugod.
Totoo yun.
Yun ang unang impression sa akin all the time. Uy, alam mo, akala namin, hindi, nagugulat nga sila na bakla daw yung personality ko.
May alter ego ka natin.
Damong salamat. Bye-bye.